Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Xiaomi's Mi Pocket Speaker 2. Firstly, peeling off the plastic, this is how the box looks like. It has got a minimalistic packaging and on the back we have the specifications of the product. Opening the box, firstly we have the speaker itself. Let's put that aside, and also in the box we have the user guide. So that's pretty much what we have in the box. So this is the speaker, and initially it comes with this silicone ring which you're supposed to remove before you start using the speaker. Here on top we have this knob which can be turned to either increase or decrease the volume, which is very intuitive in terms of end user experience. And here at the bottom we have an light indicator on one side and USB port on the other side. So using it is really simple. You just push the top of the speaker and hold for a moment, and then it turns on. And find a device and connect it via Bluetooth.
Connected successfully.
And you're done. So here I'm going to play a clip so that you kind of get an idea of how the speaker sounds.
So it's Charity Day. I came here, obviously Ryan, David here as well. They're going to this Charity Day, so I was happy to come. Obviously see all friends. Probably have a good time today with the rest of the people.
Couldn't have picked a better day really. I've played in a few of these days where the rain's been pelting down, so yeah, when you wake up this morning and see the blue skies, you're happy. I mean, it gets a chance to see old teammates and people who we know. And it's relaxed, it's competitive but also relaxed, so yeah, the main thing is raising money.
And after listening to it for quite some time, my initial impression is that it obviously sounds much louder than the speakers on the phone, yet maintaining the quality. So I'll be spending more time with it and will be coming out with a video soon. So once you're done, again press and hold the top of the speaker and wait for a moment, and now it's turned off. So very impressed with the speaker so far, and we'll have to see how it holds up as days pass by. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.